red with golden wiring work with the lace border. Lovely collections. You have a red with golden color wiring work, and here is a beautiful foil printed of golden, which is a top and bottom. This is one of the pattern. So okay, all these pattern of varieties, you have a lovely beautiful collections. If we talk about next pattern, Gauri is the code, and Georgette, jam Georgette, dark purple color, brinjal color I can say. In this also you have a beautiful color charts with this thread work and this hand work. Everywhere I can see trolleys with colorful collections, my friends. Yes, I'm talking about the trolleys with the colorful collections in a visit purchase. I just want to show you before going into a video and products. Here the lovely boxes of the golden boxes you can see over here, and here you have a beautiful collections of stonework sarees with the boxes. The mixed purchase which from the customer has done, some boutique sarees, some stonework sarees, some printed saree, rapier, silk and western wear, and here also some beautiful lovely traditional based boxes. All these collections from the trolley, it's going for the packing. Especially when we come for visit purchase, I will tell you, you don't know the time also, how much time it's taking me. You will forget your lunch also. Yes, because there are many sections are there here. When every section when we go, we don't know which one we have to select. Yes, my friends, that's why I keep on saying you, before you doing online purchase, you can do first visit purchase, right? That's what I'm telling. So she's also saying yes. So everyone doing a visit purchase is very benefits for you. In others, if I talk about color charts, if I talk about sizes, if I talk about varieties, if I talk about segments, so visit when we do, we will have a satisfaction, and later on every 2 months or every 3 months or regular month you can do a online visit video calling purchase. So friends, today I'm going to show you lovely festival based varieties of suit material. Here work suit material, here printed, we have all these kind of varieties. So friends, today I'm going to show you only festival based 500 rupees to 1500 varieties from the suit material of mixed fabrics, malmal, glossy, organza, chanderi and glossy silk, chikankari pattern, all these kind of varieties. So keep watching this video, subscribe the channel. Quickly resell a suit material. If you have a shop or boutique or planning for the home based business, you can purchase 20 to 25,000 starting by COD options pan India. You have quickly this festival based collections you can utilize. You can do best selling in this festival 2025 base off from August month. So you can make your customers happy. So first I'll show you the beautiful color charts of the red with golden wiring work with the lace border. Lovely collections. You have a red with golden color wiring work, and here is a beautiful foil printed of golden, which is a top and bottom. This is one of the pattern. So okay, all these pattern of varieties, you have a lovely beautiful collections. If we talk about next pattern, Gauri is the code, and Georgette, jam Georgette, dark purple color, brinjal color I can say. In this also you have a beautiful color charts with this thread work and this hand work, semi stitch jam Georgette. This is the dupatta. Plain will be bottom. If I talk about next pattern, cream color with beige green color combination, beautiful beads pattern thread work, and you have a lovely color charts with a creamish bottom, and you have a sequence and handwork pattern thread work, unique design, DNO 13708 is the code. All these unique varieties you can purchase from only Kesaria manufacturers with the lovely color charts. You have a lavender color with the lavender, you have a beautiful color, you have a thread work with the beads highlighted, which is glass organza. My choice is the code, and designer cut. You can see a beautiful leaf pattern and the circle pattern, the stones which are fixed on the design. This is also one of the pattern. If I talk about chikankari pattern with the glossy 100% cotton, I can say this ocean blue with the royal blue color, very pretty, very lovely color. So glossy dupatta you are getting here, and one of the ocean blue with the royal blue color. You can see the beautiful embroidering thread work designer This is one of the pattern. All these unique designs I am showing you in individual fabrics with multi more varieties. If I talk about next pattern, light onion pink, ready made, 2039 Fox is the code. Lovely. This is almost semi stitched. You will get a top. See, this is a dupatta. I can show you. Beautiful mountain cut thread work dupatta, which is a leaf, which is a outer line which is highlighted with the sequence work. This is one of the pattern, and in this you have a stretchable pant, okay, with the lining and the sequence with a highlighted lace border which has been given here. This is the bottom. You have in this suit material, you have a semi stitched with ready made also, you can buy it. Handwork pattern with the thread work, handwork and multi thread work. This is one of the pattern. If I talk about next pattern, military green with beautiful lovely color. So in this you have a handwork designer with greenish color with DNO 13706 with green pattern, lovely beautiful with embroidering work, and this is the bottom. This is a semi stitched neck pattern. So all these collections you can see here. I have one more varieties also. Every boxes you have a different designs and different colors. All these collections you have handwork patterns of varieties with color charts. I have showed you. In every color chart I have showed you the same colors of the samples. So you can purchase with lining also, you got it. Every dark colors, light colors with, and the packing also you can see. Every individual fabric and every individual variety you have a knot which has been, the knot has been placed here. So these kind of collections you can purchase. Lovely bags, zipper package, super bags you can see here, different collections. You can multi-purpose bag I can say here. So these kind of collections you can purchase from Kesaria manufacturers. The festival season varieties, this is around 500 to 1500. No quality doubt, no quantity doubt. Enjoy this festival 2025 from August to December of 2025 year. Celebration should be, you should rock in your business when it is coming to boutique business or shop business or startup business or women entrepreneurs. Successfully, independent woman can run a clothing business. We need just our sacrifice, our time, our focus, and you have to choose your destination, my friends. So international as well as India, we do have a COD options, logistics. No need to worry about quality, quantity, and how this is a huge chain services, chain team of work. So that's why prefer when you have a vacation from Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Singapore, Canada, US, and many more countries. Everyone knows the Surat is the biggest city for the diamond city as well as textile manufactures. River, how the river, that kind of manufacturers, you can see the huge stock, and once you do visit purchase, then you can do regular online and video calling purchase, right my friends? So hope you enjoy these collections. Keep supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let me know in the comment box your feedbacks, from which city you're watching the video, please mention. Keep supporting me. Your comments, your feedbacks are boost for me. Subscribe the channel. Please share the link with your friends, relatives, and whoever looking for clothing business to start. So next video we'll meet. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम।